Today I am telling a story of a kind farmer. Here is the story. Once upon a time, there was a kind and generous farmer who had a big farm with many animals and crops. He worked hard every day to take care of his farm and provide for his family. One day, a little bird flew into the farmer's barn and asked for some food. The farmer was happy to share some of his grain with the bird and even set up a birdhouse for it to stay in. Soon other birds heard about the farmer's kindness and began flocking to his farm, asking for food and shelter. The farmer happily welcomed them all. However, some of the other animals on the farm started to get jealous. They felt that the farmer was giving too much attention to the birds and not enough to them. They started to complain and tried to convince the farmer to stop helping the birds. But the farmer didn't listen to them. He knew that helping others was the right thing to do, and being kind and generous would bring happiness to everyone. In the end, the other animals saw how happy the birds were and how much joy they brought to the farm. They realized that kindness and generosity were important values to live, and that helping others was a good thing to do. And so the farmer and all the animals lived happily ever after, spreading kindness and joy wherever they went. Moral of the story: kindness, generosity, and helping others are important to live. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.